I am HVAC repair guy with 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two basic single-stage air conditioners, the Century ASA16 and the Friedrich FRA15AY. Both units feature louvered metal cabinets to protect the outdoor condenser coils. The main physical difference is the factory sound blanket around the compressor on the Century, but not on the Friedrich. That sound dampening helps the Century run at 72 decibels, while the Friedrich measures 74 decibels. On energy efficiency, the Friedrich FRA15AY leads with a 15.2 SEER rating versus the Century ASA16 at 14.3 SEER. That means the Friedrich will be slightly cheaper to run over a long summer, though both are entry-level for residential cooling. They are straightforward single-stage units that turn on at full capacity and shut off when the thermostat is satisfied. The Century unit is built in the USA, while the Friedrich unit is manufactured in Mexico. Both are available through professional dealers across the United States and Canada. Installed pricing for a turnkey replacement generally runs $5,000 to $8,000 for the Century. The Friedrich typically comes in slightly higher at $7,000 to $9,000 installed. Both brands offer 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranties. Century adds a 1-year unit replacement warranty for compressor failure in the first year, while Friedrich does not offer this. My recommendation between these two is the Friedrich FRA15AY. The higher 15.2 SEER gives lower monthly power bills, which outweighs the extra initial cost and minor noise difference over 15 years.